Okay, thank you very much. You're welcome. Well, I call this as this emergency press conference because of what is happening, shameful things happening in the River State. It's being instigated by the former governor of River State, now Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike. But before I make any statement, I've prepared a statement which will be read to you, and I want you to publish it and say it. So first of all, I would ask the press statement to be read by him. Can you put this in?
By Chief Ike Clark, OFRCON, call FCT Minister Nyesom Wike security agencies in Rivers State to order. Chief Ike Clark tells the President, Tinubu, I have been greatly disturbed by the reported developments in Rivers State in the last 24 hours. I have been reliably informed that there is a plot to unlawfully remove the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara, who has spent only about 5 months in office. I understand the sad episode is being orchestrated by the immediate past governor of Rivers State and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Mr. Nyesom Wike, and that the intention is to remove the governor, force his deputy, Professor Ngozi Odu, to resign, and install the Speaker of the House of Assembly, another Ikwerre person, as the governor of the state. Let me warn strongly, we won't allow that to happen. President Bola Tinubu must call Nyesom Wike and the security agencies in Rivers State to order to avert any untold crisis in Rivers State. Last night, the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State House of Assembly was burnt in what apparently is part of the plot to destabilize the state. The governor was tear-gassed and was even threatened with being shot at when he visited the assembly complex after the incident to assess the level of damage. We are not in a barbaric state where people can do whatever they like. We are in a democracy, and the tenets of constitutional democracy must be upheld by all. Rivers people have suffered enough political crisis. The state should not be allowed to degenerate again into its dark past, and the Niger Delta region by extension. The consequences will be there on the stability of the region and the national economy. What has Governor Fubara done wrong? Refusing to be further remote controlled? Mr. Nyesom Wike was governor for 8 years. Nobody harassed him. He governed Rivers State like an emperor. He did not show any iota of respect and regard to anyone, not even those who imposed him on Rivers people in 2015. President Tinubu must act fast and avert the untold crisis in Rivers State in the interest of his administration, the nation's democracy, and the country at large. A word is enough for the wise. Signed, Chief Ike Clark, OFRCON, National Leader, South/Pandef. Thank you very much.
Very good. My own statement, which I've just put together this afternoon. I think there's something might be wrong with the Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike. He's very arrogant, and he believes that everybody must listen to him. Who is he? When was he? When did he become what he is now today? He governed River State for 8 years, solid years, as a dictator, as an emperor. Nobody talked to him. Nobody directed him. Nobody interfered with his government. He treated the Rivers people as if they were just people who should listen to him and nothing more. The same Wike made himself an APC man, and he said he's still in PDP. What sort of person he is? We are watching to see what will be the end of the road for this man's political career. When he supported the present governor from the riverine area, everybody thanked him because the mainland had ruled this river state for 24 years, starting with Dr. Peter Odley, then Rotimi Amechi, then himself. In this case, he chose the man, the present governor, who worked with him as his accountant general for 8 years. Now he wanted to control him, control him from Abuja. It won't work. Leave the man to run his government. And I'm calling on River State people to stand by their government. River State is one of the oldest states in this country. And I know everything about River State. Nyesom Wike is now the first to rule River State. Today, he has not even respect for those who put him in that office. When he was Minister of State in Education, former President Jonathan and his wife stood by him. We said, no, Wike cannot be governor. He hasn't got the temperament of being governor. And more so, the upland have got enough. They refused. Today, he does not respect them. He does not respect them. He believes a small God. I'm not surprised. He was a local government chairman. And today, he's now Minister of FCT, the second man from the south to occupy that office. So I'm calling on Mr. President Tinubu to call him to order and leave peace to reign under the present governor in Rivers State. We will not accept Wike's dictation. He should mind himself. Take care of himself. He's becoming too dictatorial, too controversial. He's not the first person to be minister. Some of us have been ministers before. He was Minister of State, nominated by Rotimi Amechi under Jonathan, and he was in education. He parades himself that he was Minister of Education. When I was Minister of Education, he wasn't Minister of Education. He was Minister of State. He should call himself to order, and Mr. President should call him to order. Enough is enough. I understand what he wants to do, remove the present governor, now that he refused to be controlled by him. Persuade the deputy governor, the professor, the lady, to resign, and he would now put the Speaker of the House, of River State House of Assembly, and Ikwerre man, as the governor, first of all, as acting, then as in the usual way, because he thinks money can buy everything. He will now use his money to install him to contest election. It won't happen if peace is to reign in River State and in this country. So Mr. President should act fast. Thank you, and God bless you all.